One step, ha? One step, ha? Always one step lang, ha? For you to correct your points. Ready? And one, five lang. Four. Yan. Sige lang. You will check it later. Importante na sa ulitin mo na yung points. One and two. Front kick and punch. Stay there. Okay. Pagawa sa dito. Mana, here, ha? Going up, ha? Two. Noise. Cross, ha? This one, you go there, ha? Then upper block. 2, 3. Third. Yeah. Very good. Very good. 3. And very good. 3. Always check, ha? 3 and 4. Front kick and punch. Yeah. Big foot. Don't worry dito. You will do it again. Don't worry. You don't have to be able to see. 4 and 5. No block. To your center. 8 foot. 8 foot. Yan. Ha? 6 foot. Yan. Ha? Ready? And 5 and 6. Upper punch. Mataas. This one high level. 7. Upper punch. High level. And 8 siya. Alright. Okay. Hurry up. Sige. Okay.